Greetings of the day, Goenkans. Hope you're all doing good. We are going to continue the chapter Agriculture and Food Preservation. But before that, let's discuss spoilage of food. Food spoilage may be defined as the process of change in physical and chemical properties of food so that it becomes unfit for consumption. When food items are kept for a long time, they tend to get spoiled as germs start growing on it. Once the food is spoiled, it cannot be eaten and has to be thrown away because it can cause severe diseases and make us sick. How can we say that a food item is spoiled or not? Signs of food spoilage may include an appearance different from the food in its fresh form. For example, there is a change in color, there is a change in texture, an unpleasant odor, or an undesirable change. All these are indicators that the food is spoiled. What are the causes of food spoilage? Food spoilage can be caused by different factors. For example, microbial spoilage. It is caused by the microorganisms like fungus, molds, bacteria. They spoil food by growing in it and producing substances that change the color, texture, and odor of the food. Eventually, the food will be unfit for human consumption. The second cause of food spoilage is physical spoilage. Physical factors such as temperature, moisture, and pressure can also cause food spoilage. Changes caused by freezing, drying, and bruising of fruits and vegetables during storage, handling, and transportation result in the spoilage of food. Third cause of food spoilage is chemical spoilage. Chemical reaction in the food are responsible for the change in the color and flavor of the food during the process of storage. Foods are best quality when they are fresh, but after fruits and vegetables are harvested or animals are slaughtered, chemical changes begin to occur within the food, and which eventually leads to deterioration of the food. Chemical spoilage can also be brought about by enzymes which are not present within the food but also they are produced by the microorganisms like bacteria or fungi. Food preservation. What is food preservation? Food preservation can be defined as the process of treating and handling food in such a way as to stop or greatly slow down the spoilage and prevent foodborne illnesses while maintaining nutrition value, texture, and flavor. Food preservation simply means a technique which helps us to prevent food spoilage, food poisoning, and contamination of the food. What are the objectives of food preservation? Food preservation mainly focuses on making our food safe for consumption. It focuses to minimize the wastage of food by spoilage, and it also helps in increasing the shelf life of the food. Shelf life is the time for which the food remains fresh and is safe for consumption. So in next video we will discuss different methods of food preservation. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.